looking for hosting a domain coupon code to buy your hosting from Hostinger, then you are at the right place, because in this video I will tell you through of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discount and already running discount deal plus a free domain from Hostinger with all of your plans. So what you have to do is simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this, and right now this is the best time to buy with your free domain because the Black Friday deals are running right now. So simply select the claim deal, and the best thing regarding Hostinger is that all of the plans cover 30 days money back guarantee. So enjoy your amazing hosting with 30 days money back guarantee. So you can see the 30 days money back guarantee is all. You can cancel anytime, 24/7 support. So enjoy your Black Friday deals with a special discount coupon code. So but before you select any plan, because this coupon code works in any plan, I highly recommend you guys to do a thorough research and working for all of the plans, and you are getting free domain with all of the plans. So don't worry with this, that the free domain is included in any plan, so you can choose any aspect you can use. But I recommend you guys do a thorough research and then simply select the choose plan with whatever plan you have finalized to buy your hosting from Hostinger with free domain. So once you select the choose plan, you may see now you are being moved to another page, and over here you can see your summary over here. The huge deals are running right now, so I recommend you take the maximum out of it. Now Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. Also you can use this coupon code on any billing period, but my recommendation are to offer the 48 months so you can save the maximum amount of money. But because these prices won't appear again, so this is also the right time to grab this. And you are getting free domain plus 3 months free extra as well, because you have clicked the link in the description. You can see your order summary over here. So free domain, free privacy protection is included, and you can even get the free domain right now. Just select and write the free domain over here. For instance, I want to go, just giving you an example, okay, but do your research on getting a good domain name, and then you may see that you are getting free for first year. So just make sure to select your domain name over here, and once you select your domain name, you can see that simply select the 1 year and you are getting for free. This is all included for free, and you can see the additional discounts. You are getting free extra month, free setup, free domain privacy protection, no icon fees. Now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code to get your further discount on your domain hosting. So once you write this coupon code, you're gonna see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deal and a free domain as well. Now there is another coupon code as well, so you can use either of the coupon code to grab this amazing discount at Hostinger. So let's say we're going with this one, and you may see that your price got a further discount. So isn't it amazing? You're getting free domain, free web hosting, and the best thing is 30 days money back guarantee is included. Now in order to grab your domain and hosting, move on to the continue to the last part, and you may be asked to log into your Hostinger account, or you may need to create a new account at Hostinger. So after this, you can see your order summary over here, your discounts applied. Now write your billing details over here. I recommend you guys should do a detailed overview of your order summary before you move on to the last part, and that is writing your billing address over here and move on. Once you write your billing details over here, move on to the continue, and the last part is selecting payment methods. Now the good thing regarding Hostinger is that they offer you variety of payment methods. You can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay and Koike to enjoy your discounts and free domain and hosting with Hostinger. So you can use any aspect convenience. If you use credit card, write credit card details and simply select the submit button, and within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details and your free domain and hosting obviously. So enjoy your free domain with the Hostinger with any of the plan. Make sure to click on the link in the description and use the right of the coupon code. And this is the time to enjoy your Black Friday deals as well. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger with this amazing Hostinger domain coupon code. Good luck.